what were your responsibilities on board?
Taking care of the provisioning, so I made sure we had enough water and food to last us the trip. I cooked for the boys and they occasionally helped me clean up in return for a shorter shift on watch, so I got a bit more free time, which was good.
I just made sure the boat was ready. I had to check out the weather, but we only had weather for the first 7 days because we don't have an Iridium phone or SSB radio or anything like that. Or navigation, any major sail changes I was there for or organising. I had to organise the shifts as well, so we did 5, 5 and 2. Made Jack do the most of the night shift, or all of the night shift.
Jack's a little bit tired.
You're tired, mate.
It worked.
Did you get enough sleep last night?
No.
I made sure our first aid kit was all up to scratch and we had all the essentials for the longer passages. So if in the worst case scenario something goes wrong in the middle, we've got the right equipment. Will you stop picking up stationary objects while I'm trying to film?
Sorry.
Put it down.
And a few little inspections that we did on the way as well to make sure that we weren't wearing through any ropes or anything like that. But yeah, that's about it. The Vagabonde.
What kind of emotions are taking place?
Just generally feeling pretty jazzy. I don't know, pretty good.
Pretty good?
Fantastic, snazzy.
Those are very interesting
Pretty sure.
emotions.
A couple of them weren't emotions.
What about you, Riles? How are you feeling?
Excited, nervous, tentative, anxious,
Well, all
tranquil,
should be well
apprehensive,
unless we eat each other
frightened.
before we arrive.
We're leaving a little bit early. There's we might have a bit of weather on Friday, but we know it's coming, so we'll be prepared.
It's just started raining and Jack and I have got a little bit excited and put our rain jackets on.
Look out there.
Holy shit! It's pouring!
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, that was so shit!
Oh shit.
So I hear you've had a pretty wild night.
Yeah.
What's been going on?
Well, it was saying 35 on the instruments, so it was probably gusting to 45 because it's right behind us. It started raining, so I took all but the tri-sail type arrangement we've got for the mainsail in, wound the head sail right in.
Oh, it's raining hard.
There you go, mate.
Do you want your rain jackets?
Nah, I'm good. Yeah, let's try that.
There he is.
No.
Whoa.
Oh my God, it's a dolphin fish!
I think so.
I think it's a dolphin fish!
Yeah!
Oh no!
I think I'll put the camera away.
To sum it up.
Can I gaff it this time, Rory? No, it's alright, there's plenty of fish in the sea. I was a little bit upset yesterday, but I'm fine today.
That was a nice sized Dorado, wasn't it?
That was large. But that's alright.
I'm sorry for losing your fish.
No, you're not.
And of course, have you seen Dorado? Last seen 400 nautical miles west of Mindelo. He's never gonna let me leave it down.
It's 6:30 in the morning and this has just come in the window. And I beat Elayna at a game of Connect 4 and the bet was that she would eat a flying fish. No!
Oh, it's a big dolphin fish.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yes! Watch your bum, Jack. We're gonna
Yep.
get the
Get the gaff. Beauty! Look at that thing.
We had a few days of sailing through these clouds of seagrass, yellow seagrass, and we were soon to learn that we were almost guaranteed to catch a fish every single time, so it was pretty incredible. We were very lucky. Watch out, Jack! Oh, that's huge!
That is a ripper.
I always forget the first few words. There we go. Now I'm bound to your bell rings. My love is in nest and bird. Lodged in the brass offer. Lace up your boots, tie 'em to the jacket light. Of a million different lives. Oh, be Leeward side, 'cause I wanna be someone worthy of your conversation. About the Santa moonless night. So shake off your Leeward side. You will want more, you will want more, you will want more than I can offer you away from my shore. And one day it will unfold and fall into the untold. One day you know I'll see dancing away from me. And under the hollow sky, past where the sails divide. Until the day I die, I'll be Leeward side. We are absolutely stoked.
I'm gonna eat this for next week.
This is our lucky lure, Alfred. He hasn't died yet. He's got a few bits bitten out of him, but he has caught us. How many fish has Alfred caught us?
Like 12?
12 fish. And he's still
Oh,
charging.
plus all the tuna in Europe. They caught all the tuna as well.
Yeah. He's a champ. He deserves a part in this video. So congratulations, Alfred. So I guess Dorado for dinner again.
Yeah.
Good job. How'd you go filleting that one? They fight, don't they?
Yeah, well, it went pretty ape shit.
Did it? You got blood right in the middle of your face.
I got it on my shirt too.
Okay, so
Your white shirt.
Lucky, yeah. Lucky it cost me 35 cents.
Here's what's for dinner! Ah! Nearly lost it. Good catch, Jack.
Ah, that's hot.